We're here in Beijing Zoo. We wanted to see giant pandas, and this was just the easiest way to do it. This is a lot bigger than I was expecting. That's a snapping turtle. I'll take the hand off you. They're tiny. Are they the poisonous ones? Yeah. They look like the Power Rangers of frogs. The Amphibian and Reptile House is in severe need of additional free decoration.
It's a very disappointing. Shedding its skin. You can see its skin coming off.
Dennis thought I was going to be terrified coming up to the snakes. I don't mind snakes if they're behind glass. It's just when they're in real life that I shit myself. I don't like this, Dennis. It says there's 13 species of snakes in Beijing. What is that? A Chinese cobra. Oh, great. What's in this box? Snakes have like a big open enclosure. I've just never seen that before in the zoo. To be honest, I probably will still have nightmares now tonight over that. It's just not a bit of a risque statue. We all know what's going on here. You go into the little panda shop. This is Penguin Land. It turns out that Penguin Land is just these two penguins. Gonna be honest, I was kind of hoping for more penguins. These people have a dinosaur to go around the park in. What I really wanted. They have a little carousel. That's cute. They have little bumper cars as well. Lightning McQueen's Chinese cousin. There's an arcade in the zoo as well. It's not an aviary, it's for monkeys. Look at this fella. Oh, he's so cute. This area is a bit old school, isn't it? I don't like these metal cages. Shrek is not looking great. Oh look, there's the giraffe. At least it's better than the cages. This is the aviary. I haven't seen any boards yet. Not really, there's no boards. I still haven't seen any boards yet. Oh, I found boards at last. They have loads of little cafes around, it's kind of cute. I came over to this fence because I thought there was kids walking monkeys, which are actually walking dogs. There's kids just running around with a dog. It's so bizarre. They just give you an end of a dog to walk. This is the petting zoo. I'm not sure we were allowed in there. You need to pay in anyway. What did you get?
Snowman. Oh, this chocolate. What you get, Colin?
It looks a lot bigger on the packet.
Actually looks really nice.
It's like just an ice cream dipped in chocolate. It's actually quite nice.
They want to be together, they're all females.
Do you want a picture with the rhinos?
Should we go there next? Can you go there?
This is the Hippo House. There's like random shops. It's very strange. There's a boat. There's two tours up and down the canal. That will tell you how big this place is. Elephants next. I love the fact that they play music as they're driving you around. It's so cute. Do you want a picture sitting on an elephant?
No.
There's the elephants. I think they're separated for a reason. Put it away. I'd love to be under that now. Look at that thing. I'd love that for going around the zoo. This is Beijing Aquarium. So you have to pay a separate fee to get into the aquarium. It's 160 RMB. That works out at about 20 euros. And the zoo itself was only like 2 euros to get into. There's more penguins there than in Penguin World. This is what every zoo needs. A speedboat. Honestly though, I have no idea why there's a speedboat in the zoo. Oh, I'm gonna get knocked down. Hello. Hello people, how are you? I'm getting a picture of this, thanks. What's that? Some kind of Australian bird. This is a guanco. Sloths. They're very cute. That's nice. They're like lynx. That's cool, isn't it? Here's the polar bear hall. Jesus Christ, that looks grim. There he is there.
It doesn't look good.
This doesn't look nice at all. This polar bear hall has to be the grimmest thing I've ever seen. It's an ice cream shop in the polar bear hall. Like you, I like to be delighted. Playing cute is not only your exclusive skill. Now, are we sure it's not just a man in a suit? Like you, I drool over cuisines. I feel good when tummy is full. Red pandas. Oh look, they've got a ball pool. That's cute. The park itself is really nice. These are different types of pheasant. So this is the giant pandas. This is really what we came for. The giant pandas are an extra charge in. It's like about €1 or something. And you just put it as an add-on when you're buying the tickets. Can you see any?
No.
Okay, Panda House. It's the Dragon Warrior. Oh god, this is literally me. Can't get near the pandas.
Didn't meet my expectations. I was expecting loads of baby, small pandas running around the place. It wasn't that.
I think there was 3 pandas in there. At least there was more pandas than penguins. I've never seen so many shops and restaurants in a place like this before. It's mad. These things are lethal. Your man thinks he's Lewis Hamilton driving around. So that's Beijing Zoo. Very disappointed, to be honest. It's really run down, in severe need of a revamp. In its current state, it's a no from me.
And a no from me.